So this brings me to the very important announcement, and that is we love your enthusiasm and the fact that you're here with us right in the morning to celebrate Independence Day, especially the students. But we will expect you to put yourself on mute throughout the program only because we want the program to run smoothly, okay? So you have any comments, you can appreciate all the program that you see, you can compliment the performers, all of that can be done, but you need to do that in the chat box, all right? So with that expectation, we move forward. We begin with the most important event um, of Independence Day, and that is the flag hoisting ceremony. We might all be confined to our homes today, but we absolutely had the flag hoisting ceremony taking place this morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, that early. We had Joy ma'am, Hina ma'am, Nishtha ma'am, even Pareen ma'am, and Sir, PE Sir, going to the school and hoisting the flag, okay, along with the ICC school. So we have a short video. We want you to be a part of it as well. So please watch it. I request Nisha ma'am to play the video for us. A small request, while the flag hoisting is on, you will hear the national anthem play. I would request you to please stand up at the time of the national anthem. Waiting for you to play the video now, Nisha ma'am.
Yes, very good morning, everybody. Happy Independence Day to one and all.
Thank you, Nisha ma'am. And thank you, Joy ma'am, and everyone for sharing that video with us. It almost felt like being a part of school. I think somebody has it in the chat box. Reminds me of old times. Absolutely. I think it was a very good reminder of that. And at a very good onset to the celebration. It wouldn't be the same without flag hoisting. That's the essence of the whole day. So thank you very much for sharing the video with us. I'd now like to request Joy ma'am to address us.
Good morning, dear students, my dear parents, and my dear staff. So, before we begin, yes, it was really a pleasure to go and hoist the flag today. And that brought us, all of us over there thinking that the importance of 15th August in 1947 and 15th August today remains the same. But yes, its relevance varies. The priority and focus of a nation being born in 1947 was different then from today. Our freedom fighters helped us to achieve freedom from the British. Today, we are combating the challenges due to the pandemic caused by COVID-19. As a nation, we are united in fighting the virus together. Our freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Jhansi Ki Rani, Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, and so many others started the movement against the British rule. Under the inspirational leadership of Mahatma Gandhi ji, who taught us non-violence as a means of attaining Swaraj, we focused on achieving independence from the British rule. Today, we must learn to ensure that we continue to do justice to what they struggled and fought for. Remember the ideals of independence, unity in diversity, inclusiveness, tolerance, equality, and democracy as cornerstones of modern India, along with providing social justice, inclusive growth, and encouraging self reliance. As a nation, we must stand united and not let divisive forces destroy our unity. As we celebrate our 74th Independence Day, this time during the lockdown, let us not forget that we are free, independent, resilient, and shall overcome all this together. Hum honge kamyab. I'm sure all of us know that song, right? So, happy Independence Day, everyone, and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, and thank you, ma'am. Happy Independence Day once again. That was very motivational. A lot of important points that we sort of don't think about or take for granted. And Independence Day just becomes confined to 15th August. I think every day of our lives that we get to exercise our rights, every day of our life that we get to live responsibly, uh, are the days that you should be thankful to be independent. So I think that's very essential. Thank you, ma'am, once again for the wonderful message. Um, we move on in the program now. I would like to invite Rajni, ma'am, who has a beautiful poem to dedicate to all of us today that has the message of hope, that has the message of pride, and that has the message of truth. So, Rajni, ma'am, over to you.
थैंक यू तस्लीम मैम, आदरणीय जॉय मैम, मित्रगण एवं मेरे प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, मैं रजनी साहू आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। जो कविता आज मैं आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ वो वीर रस पर आधारित है। जिंदगी में चुनौतियां तो बहुत आती हैं, इंसान वही है जो इन चुनौतियों का सामना डट कर करता है। तो मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है सत्य की विजय। सत्य की विजय सदा असत्य की हार हो, न रहे भय तनिक सा भी, साहस हृदय के द्वार हो। सत्य की विजय सदा असत्य की हार हो। जीवन में नित्य आएंगी चुनौतियां चुनौतियां, संघर्ष में न होंगी कटौतियां कटौतियां। मंजिल समीप आती है प्रयास में जो धार हो, मंजिल समीप आती है प्रयास में जो धार हो। सत्य की विजय सदा असत्य की हार हो। कट गया है शीश पर ये शीश है झुका नहीं, कट गया है शीश पर ये शीश है झुका नहीं। राही उसी का नाम है जो राह में रुका नहीं। चाहे कितना भी अंधकार हो एक दिन उजाला जरूर होता है। सत्य की विजय सदा असत्य की हार हो। तेरा ये भविष्य है तेरे ही तो हाथ में, न रहे भय तनिक सा भी, साहस हृदय के द्वार हो। सत्य की विजय सदा असत्य की हार हो। सत्य की विजय सदा असत्य की हार हो। धन्यवाद।
Dhanyavad Rajni ma'am for reciting the amazing poem in your beautiful voice.
थैंक यू
I'll be
मैम।
honest and say that I'm listening to this poem not for the first time today from you, but the impact was still the same. The words meant exactly what they meant for the very first time. I think you have some amazing comments in the chat box about how lovely the poem sounded and so inspiring and so positive. Um, and mahal bana diya, so to say.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, we now move on to another beautiful performance, and I say that because I've heard it, and I know that you're going to love it as much as you love this one. I would like to call it a heartfelt dedication to those men and women who are the actual reason you and I are here today celebrating this day. We are here today calling it the 74th year of Indian independence. But there's something that happened 74 years ago. A lot of people did something for us to be able to come together today and celebrate this day. I won't say much. I'll just let you listen to this soulful dedication, if I can call it that, and just feel the words. So over to you, Vidika ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Very happy Independence Day to all of you. The song that I'm going to sing is a Hindi patriotic song. And this song is basically, it commemorates the Indian soldiers who died at the war front. This year has been very different, and we all know why. While on one hand, people across India and around globe are largely confined to their homes, with businesses and educational institutions all operating online, we have the doctors, healthcare workers, medical staff members, cleaners, and the police who have led the battle against COVID-19 from the front, putting their own lives at risk with selfless determination for the sake of saving lives. They truly are our heroes in these challenging times. So, I want to pay a tribute, rather, we all would pay a tribute to the soldiers at the forefront and the medical staff who have taken care of us in these challenging times. मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने है प्राण गवाए, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे धर कर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। थी खून से लथपथ काया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा, फिर गिर गई होश गवा के। जब अंत समय आया तो ओ, जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं। खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं। क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए कही ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Vidika. I had to let a few seconds pass before being able to really say how beautiful that song sounded. And I think if you can go by the comments in the chat box, you will know the effect that had on each and every one who's a part of this meeting. So amazingly done. Um, Beautiful. You have a beautiful voice and you sang with such emotions. And I think this song is synonymous with everyone who's given their lives in the freedom struggle. Everyone, the warriors now, the present day warriors, the policemen, the doctors, the frontline workers who've given their lives in the war against Corona. So I think we are lucky to belong to a country, a nation where people are so selfless and they go all out just to ensure that the others are at peace and the others are well. I think, thank you very much for setting that tone, and you sang beautifully.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, with that, children, we move on to a very sweet part, which I personally find very sweet part of the program. We've heard a beautiful poetry. We've heard a soul-stirring song by Vedika ma'am. We next have something colorful and something vivid, which is a dedication from our students, from some of you, for the country. So it is your understanding of what India means to you and what pictures and what things remind you of India. And that has been shared by you in the form of an artwork, which was taken up by Ananya ma'am. So we have some of your contributions with us, and we'd like to share it with the rest of you, all the teachers and all the other students. So I'd like to request Nisha ma'am, if you can play the artwork video for us now.
Nisha ma'am, the audio is not heard. Is it supported, Nisha ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. The audio is not. Is it audible?
No, ma'am.
Okay, once again, I'll check. Now, is it audible?
No, Nisha ma'am. Not yet. Ma'am, Zil
I
says,
think we could have, yeah, we could have very well gone with the pictures only students, but we wanted you to see the whole thing since it has been prepared to be seen like that. So we'll just give this one more try, and if Nisha ma'am is able to play the song for us or the music for us, nothing like it, okay? We just want you to experience it the way it was supposed to be. So just please excuse us.
Yes, give me a minute.
No worries.
Nisha ma'am, there is a suggestion from Zil in the chat box. You need to unmute your ID or your PPT, something like that.
Okay.
Hmm.
Zil, you can unmute yourself and say it if that's convenient.
Yes, Zil.
Okay, so ma'am, the PPT that you're presenting from the second ID, just try to unmute that once. Maybe that will help. Or you can keep the second phone near to the device that you're using so that we can listen to the song.
Okay, okay. Now, is it audible?
No.
No, ma'am, it's not audible. Ma'am, they are full. There are so many screens. See, like that I'm talking about. 3D. Ma'am, from
Yes,
Tasneem,
the device.
babies, but you
Tasneem,
remember what the arrangement was? The students will not unmute themselves.
Tasneem,
You can just, yes,
maybe
ma'am.
we can come back to this and we can continue. And by
Sure,
the
ma'am.
time Nisha can just try it out. All right?
Sure, sure. Absolutely, yes.
Okay, works. I'll get back to this.
Okay, thank you, Nisha, ma'am. No worries. Being a part of the online thing for so long, we know that something like that is quite possible. So we are always prepared for it. Don't worry. So students, you will wait for some more time for the video to be able to play for us, the audio of the video to be able to play for us. We move on to the next thing lined up for you, and that, if I can say, um, has to do something with India being one of the youngest countries in the world today. I'm sure some of you, most of you, and even all of you is aware about this, that India is one of the youngest countries in the world. We are going places. We have a major percentage of our population below the age of 35. So I think it is only fitting that at this point, when we talk about a young India, we have the youngest one among us, Master Johan Joshi, share his thoughts about independent India with us now. So, Johan, we'd love to hear what you have to say about the 74th Independence Day of India. Over to you.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, a very warm good morning. I am Johan Joshi, and I would like to wish everyone a very happy 74th Indian Independence Day. We Indians have fought tirelessly for our freedom and independence for more than 100 years from external invaders around the world. And finally, India 19% gained our freedom. Every year on August 15th, we remember the great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many unknown warriors who sacrificed their lives for our independence. This year, we need to thank many noble souls from different fields and walk of life, all tirelessly working to free India from the clutches of coronavirus. Now the word independence and freedom hold a new meaning and respect for me as you are rediscovering and understanding its values. So here's wishing everyone that you find our freedom, play together in a garden, to hoist our head together again in our school premises, walk and be carefree without any prejudice. Jai Hind. Thank you.
I think Johan deserves a huge round of applause. Thank you, Johan. That was so amazing. And like I told you before, you are just not cute, which a lot of people are calling you. I think you are amazing. You're confident. You are articulate. You speak really well. You pause at the right places. All your gestures and namaste and all of that looked beautiful. And you make such a complete picture with the background behind you. And you're yawning also. Okay.
Thank you, Miss Om.
We love the balloons. Thank you everyone in Johan's home who helped put that set up for him. It makes a
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. It makes for a complete Independence Day full, the complete picture. So amazing. So thank you, Johan, for that. Now we move on to that part of India, which I think is essentially the most beautiful part. It has nothing to do with the geographical locations of India or the places that we see or anything or the tourist attractions. When I say the most beautiful part of India, I mean the people of India belonging to varied communities, belonging to different castes, subcastes, speaking so many varied languages with their whole customs and traditions and color and the way of worshipping God and all of that. I think that is the most beautiful part of India. We'll have a small glimpse into that part of India, although it is difficult to even touch something like that because that is so vast and so varied. But we have tried to bring a little taste of the beauty that India is with respect to the various languages that we speak today for you. We have some of our students with short messages on the day of independence for all of you to do with India. I would request them to take it ahead from here. We would love to see what your messages are. Over to you, students.
एकता से हमारा अस्तित्व कायम रहता है और विभाजन से हमारा पतन होता है. Our existence is maintained by unity and we fall by division.
जात, धर्म, प्रांत, भाषा यातून बाहेर पडूया. आता आपण नवा भारत of caste, religion, region, language, and let's create a new India.
વિવિધતામાં એકતા છે, એ અમારો ગર્વ છે, તેથી આપણો ભારત મહાન છે. Unity in diversity is our pride. That is why our India is great.
हम सब मुख्तलिफ हो सकते हैं, लेकिन हम एक ही नस्ल पे ताल्लुक रखते हैं. We all may be different, but we belong to the same human race.
எங்கள் சமூக உதவியாளர்களுக்கு கடமை மற்றும் பொறுப்புணர்வுக்கு பாராட்டுக்கள். Cheers to the sense of duty and responsibility of our community helpers.
Kavya, you might be on mute, baby.
আমার লোক দেশভক্তি এবং সংগতি চেতনা উৎসাহিত. Cheers to the spirit of strength and solidarity of my people.
ਸਾਡੇ ਸੈਨਿਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਮਰਪਣ ਤੇ ਵਚਨਬੱਧਤਾ ਲਈ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹਿਤ ਹਾਂ. Cheers to dedication and commitment of our soldiers.
Cheers to the unwavering spirit of my fellow countrymen.
जय हिंद.
जय हिंद.
जय हिंद. भारत माता की
जय.
भारत माता की भारत माता की
जय.
Thank you, students. Some wonderful messages and such beautiful languages. It just sounds so sweet to hear it. Yes, you'll agrees with me, but you'll please agree with me in the chat box, baby. Okay. So I think we loved listening to all those amazing languages, which somewhere, we are not a part of every day and so easily, because we speak the language that we are comfortable with. But I think that was really, really amazing, and your messages were beautiful. So thank you everyone for that. You can see a lot of claps and cheers for you. And moving on to the next part, we move on to the fun part of India now. The part which is about celebrating and about tapping your feet and about celebrating. Yeah, so we move to that part of the program now, which is something which most of you and all of you, in fact, are going to enjoy. For this part, I would request you to put your cameras on and join in, because it's actually a folk dance which is prepared for us by Zil ma'am. So she's going to be leading the dance, but all of you are invited to join in. So you can put your cameras on and join in the celebration. Okay? All right. Over to you, Zil.
Thank you so much, Tasneem ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. It is a great pleasure to present in front of you today fusion of 3 folk dances of India. So I would request each one of you behind the camera there to join in for this dance. Thank you so much. Let's get started.
केसरिया केसरिया या जीवन आपुले सार्थक करारे राष्ट्रभक्ती निस्वार्थ करारे एकजुटीने कार्य कराया देशाचे या साथी बना अनसाथ करारे मातृभूमी ही आज पुकारे जागृत होऊन कंकण बांधू दिवस रात्र झटण्याचे मातीच्या पायाशी हे अर्पण प्राणाचे फेडूया ऋण आम्हा हा जन्म लाभला त्याचे घेऊ हे ब्रिद हाती असे तू सिंधू नव हिंदुस्थानाचे
So are you all ready?
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई से मस्त पवन की थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 सांसें जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले और मोहे मोहे दे बसंती यारो मोहे मोहे दे बसंती मोहे मोहे तू रंग 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 दे बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती रंग दे बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती रंग दे बसंती रंग दे बसंती यार
Woo! A huge round of applause for that. That was amazing, Bill. As always, the icing on the cake. Yeah. Very well done. And thank you to all the students who enthusiastically joined in. How sweet are you? How sweet are you with your participation and with your enthusiasm and with your comments in the chat box? I think you're very sweet. I think because of you, this program has become so lively, and we are all so excited, right? So thank you very much. Yes, yes, it was outstanding. I agree, Joy, ma'am. Absolutely awesome. Mind blowing dance. Wow. Clap, clap, clap. Yes. So thank you, Zil, again, and thank you all the students for joining in. We now move on to the art video that we're going to be trying to play again. I think Bhavna ma'am has it ready. So Bhavna ma'am, if you can try to play the video now. Clap, clap, clap. I agree. Fantastic work, children. I think all of you should applaud yourself for that beautiful artwork with so many colors and the different aspects of the country, the birds, the animals, and so many things that represent India. And I think, Ananya ma'am, are you here? Ananya ma'am had a very beautiful thought behind this. We'd love for you to share it with us if you are able to. Yes, we can see some amazing comments in the chat box because I absolutely agree. This was some really amazing artwork, and you've all done it from home and sent us pictures. So I think just goes to show that if you're really, really enthusiastic and willing to work, then I think distances hardly matter, right? You were such an active member of this celebration today that we can't imagine this without you. And you've been really amazing and forthcoming with your participation. Karma, baby, you've suddenly gone off mute. Yeah, that's fine. All right. I think I would just like to share the message behind this that Ananya ma'am had. And she said that when we talk about independent India and rights and freedom and things living and enjoying, breathing in air and all of that, we talk about humans. But I think we have to have the same amount of respect and we have to have the same amount of consideration for the animals and for the birds and for every other living thing that breathes on this land. Okay, so that was the message. And that is why you can see a lot of birds coming in there and a lot of animals being represented. Also, how we worship certain animals. So I'm sure you saw a cow being decorated really well and represented that way as the god. And some goddesses of the country. So I think all in all, it was a fantastic effort by all of you. Thank you, Ananya ma'am, for taking this forward, and thank you, children, for your contribution. And thank you, Nisha ma'am and Bhavna ma'am, for playing the video for us. On that note, we have come towards the end of the program. We just have one last thing for you. We'd like to end on a solemn note. We had a lot of interaction. We saw a lot of programs. We saw you singing. We saw some of us reciting poetry. We celebrated with a dance. We saw some artwork. Now we'd like to have a small, solemn presentation for you, which I think would only be fitting to end the program with. Obviously, Independence Day and the idea of independence cannot come to an end. But this program today, which the school is going to now, we present to you the Song of India. And I would like to invite all of us who are singing the song to put on their cameras now. And over to you, Robert, sir.
Okay, so good morning, everyone, and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. And I hope you all are enjoying the program. We've had some beautiful, beautiful performances so far. There was art, music, and dance, as Tasneem ma'am just said. And yes, not to forget the wonderful comparing by ma'am herself, Tasneem ma'am. Great job. So, yep, here's something I don't think you must have seen. So what we're going to be doing here is we have a couple of teachers who are going to be presenting the national song, that is Vande Mataram. Okay, so during this performance, I request everybody else to be on mute. You can sing with your mics muted. And yep, I hope you enjoy what we're going to put up for you guys. So okay, I think we can start. If we'll be starting with Joy ma'am. So Joy ma'am, whenever you're ready.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Sujala सुफलाम्
मलयज शीतला
मातरम
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी
फुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी
सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरम्
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
मातरम वन्दे मातरम
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्. Thank you everyone. Clap to all the teachers. All right. So hope you enjoyed that collaboration of all of us. And yes, we have some brilliant singers at TIS over here. And yep, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day once again. Over to you, Tasneem ma'am.
Thank you, Robert, for being so kind and calling us amazing singers, calling me one of them, actually. A lot of you are out of my league, absolutely. But yes, we tried, and that's what the whole idea is, to come together in the spirit of the celebration. You don't have to be an expert at everything. You cannot be an expert at everything. But the whole idea is to come together and be a part of the celebration. If you are willing to do that, then I think that's all that is important. I love today and the way the whole day has shaped out, if I can say so myself. I love the performances by all of us. It was an amazing, amazing day. It sets the tone so well, and you're pumped up and enthusiastic for the rest of the day. That's it from my side. I would like to request Joy ma'am to say a few words to us before we leave. Ma'am?
Okay, I just want to add a few things. Sorry if my voice is echoing a bit, but a lot of planning has gone into this. Even if you don't see people, actively, if you probably participating or singing or dancing, etc. Everyone has been planning it. It takes weeks of planning and getting the whole thing together. Whether it is coordinating for the practices, we have our coordinators to thank for this. We have Shweta, who was compiling the video, Ananya ma'am with the artwork, Robert motivating everyone. We have Zil. Last evening, she was busy with all the children in her home trying to put the flag together. Tasneem with the script, and all of you wonderful children. Thank you for being there and coming for the practices after your school time and waiting back and being there for the run through. A big thank you to all the parents also for never failing us, always standing by and motivating the children. Nobody ever says, no, we will not do this. So thank you, dear parents. Thank you, dear children, staff, back end support, everyone. We also have Hina, Nishta, the admin staff, all the teachers, and teaching, non-teaching, Fareen for all of us went today to do the flag hoisting, recording. We had, all I can say is, yes, as someone has rightly put it, I'm happy to be a part of this school. And that goes for each and every one of us. So happy Independence Day, everyone, and have a wonderful day today. And yes, we are all free. We should be really grateful for that, and we are all safe. So, Jai Hind.
कभी
Students can all log out now.
Bye, ma'am. Happy Independence Day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Bye.